Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening, Aditi.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And how is your day today?
Nice.
Okay. So, which topic we are going to discuss, Aditi?
But
Birds. Okay. So, first tell me, do you like birds?
my favorite bird.
Yeah, like, do you like birds?
Yeah, I like the bird.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me which is your favorite bird?
Parrot.
Which bird?
Parrot. Parrot.
Parrot.
Mm.
Oh. And can you describe how does it look like?
It's looking like green color
Hmm.
and its beak like red color.
Yeah.
And on some houses and all, some houses they will be using pet animal.
Okay. Yeah.
And on June and all, it will some parrot and all will be talking.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell me, like, one of the most beautiful bird names?
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher is also beautiful, but I think world is,
And duck will be nice.
yeah, duck also looks beautiful. But there is one more very beautiful bird you are missing. You're forgetting.
What? Can you say that I can't guess it?
It's peacock.
I'm so forgot that.
Yeah, peacock.
Uh,
It is one of the most beautiful birds, right?
yeah, and it's our national bird.
Yeah, exactly. So, have you ever saw a peacock in your life?
Yeah.
Oh, where?
I have a small sister.
Hmm?
I said about her, isn't it?
Yeah, I think.
I said about her on her house, and there will be more peacock,
Okay.
and she will be sending photos to us, a photo video.
Okay.
And I went there and I was see that real
Oh, okay.
on Kanyakumari.
Okay.
On Kanyakumari, one hotel will be there. There will be like forest, and there will be more peacocks.
Oh, okay. So you
There
saw
will be
there.
more peacocks, and there will be more freedom freedom fighters. Photo will be there.
Freedom fighter.
Yeah,
Yes.
they will be painting and shaking.
Okay.
But how and all they are painting very really?
How they are?
How they are painting really?
Like it looks very real. You're saying that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that can be a photo also. Like photos will come like real, but sometimes some people paint as well. They do the painting.
Okay.
Yeah. So Aditi, can you tell me any bird which is known for its speed, or any bird which is known for its speed, or you can say that it is known for a good eyesight?
what I can say. Wow.
Can you tell me which one of the dangerous birds that you know?
I don't know. I think cobra.
No, bird.
Yeah.
It's eagle.
Yeah, eagle.
Yeah. So, eagles
But
are.
dangerous animal, the big cobra snake.
Yeah. It is a dangerous animal, but it is not a dangerous bird, right?
Yeah, eagle also it's dangerous bird.
Yeah, eagles are amazing hunters. They have sharp legs.
Yeah, they have very nice sharp legs.
Yeah. And they grab the fish from they saw the fish from far away,
Yeah.
and they grab it by their legs.
What the eagle will be eating?
Sorry?
What the eagle will be eating?
They eat fishes, snakes.
Yeah, the cobra will hunt snake.
Cobra is snake.
No. Not. Eagle will
Cobra.
hunt snake.
Yes, eagle can hunt the snake as well. Yeah. So, can you tell me, or can you name any 5 birds that you see every day?
Crow.
Hmm.
I will sometime on school day I saw kingfisher.
Okay.
Duck.
Duck also.
Yeah, it will be more place.
Okay.
Sometime I will see parrots.
Yeah.
Only one more is there. There, what I will see.
A pigeon?
Pigeon. Okay. Pigeon also, okay.
Yeah. And sparrow also?
Sparrow, sometimes the pigeon and sparrow sometimes.
Okay. So, if you can have any 3 birds as a pet, which bird would you like to have?
Parrot.
Parrot and?
Some people will be using pet animal duck.
Okay. Duck and?
Some they will keep on their house.
Yeah. Peacock. Would you like to have a peacock as a pet?
Yeah, I can have, but my mom will beat.
No,
because my mom don't like any pet animal.
Oh.
My mom will say to me, can I give you and I can buy one pet animal? Like that my mom will say.
What your mom says?
My mom says, I can give you and I can buy the pet. Like that my mom will say.
Oh, okay.
Like that my mom will say.
Oh, so your mom doesn't like pet animals?
Yeah.
Okay, so fine. If your mom doesn't like it, then leave it.
But I will ask to my dad. My dad will say okay, but my mom will say like this only. And sometime me and my dad will ask. That time my mom will say, I will give you and dad to the shop and I will buy 2 pets like that. My mom will say.
Okay. That's funny. So, okay. So we are just talking about imaginary thing. If you could have, then I'm saying. So, yeah, leave it. Tell me, what is bird's home?
Some birds will make on their own house on the trees, and it make one egg,
Yeah.
and it will be only not going anywhere for eating something. That bird will that bird will sitting on that egg. After the baby comes on the egg, then the bird will be going outside for his baby.
Yeah, so that is called nest.
And on some people will be using pet animal bird. That time they will be keeping like one cage.
Yeah. Right. So is it right, in your opinion?
Yeah.
Keeping birds in a cage, is it right for you?
No.
Okay, why?
Because that it can't be dog. Then it will be like a jail, and it will be so sad. See, that bird should be fly. It should be energy.
Right. Exactly. So birds, birds are made to fly.
Yeah.
And if we keep them in a cage, then they cannot. And sometimes, you know what happens? They forget to fly. By if we keep them.
But on my house, on next house, there will be keeping that. I don't know. There is one house that is housa, or else that is pet housa. Like that, I will think. There will be more parrot, dog.
Okay.
Dog and all.
Oh, so they have a lot of pets.
Yeah. There has one big dog. And that dog was born to one baby. It has 4 babies. Three babies died.
Oh.
And one baby was there. And there will be more parrot and all.
Okay. So, in your opinion, keeping birds in a cage is not the right thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said that birds live in they build a home on a tree, right?
We should leave the bird. We should not keep on the any cage. And it will be think that that is like a jail.
Yeah, it is a jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a jail. So we should not, if we want to have pets, then we should keep them released. If they want to stay, they will stay. If they don't want to stay, they will go.
Yeah,
Yes.
Sometimes the pet they will use dog.
Yeah.
And they will be putting like one, what they will say, rope, like that one rope they will put. It should be go freely and it should be run. We should not keep like that.
Right.
How we are going, some people, can I say one detail to that? Some people, I was in the jail. How was it feel? It's so bad and I will be bored, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like that, only the pets, the animals also feel, the birds also feel.
Right. Yeah, exactly. You're right. So we should not keep any birds or animal in a cage, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But on sea, yeah, but on sea,
Hmm.
but on sea, some people will hunt the fish and keep on the boat
Yeah.
for sale
Yeah.
fish.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
But that's also bad. It should be swim, but everyone was eating fish. On my house today, mommy leave because of today no rain. For that, my mom buy fish and keep for me. I said to my mom this dialogue, and my mom said to me, I will not give fish to you anywhere like that, my mom said.
Oh. Okay. So, in your opinion, we should not eat fish.
Not like that.
Then?
We can eat. When I'm done, my mom was keeping. That time I will eat. The one my mom was not keeping, I will not eat. That's the reason.
Okay. And okay, so can you tell me any bird's name which is a very scary bird? People are scared of that bird.
Scared about the bird. I don't know.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
It's owl, right? They snatch our eyes. They can snatch our eyes.
What you said?
Owl.
Yeah. On morning, that bird can't see.
Hmm.
And
At night.
that bird can't open the bird can't open his eye.
Yeah. Right.
But on night, the bird will be open the eyes.
Yeah. Right. And
On the night, all can see.
Yeah. Right.
On morning, all can't see.
Right. So, Aditi, I think we had a great conversation over this topic. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think it's time to hang up.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.